Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore Icon Mini wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not working for some reason, whether it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you decide you can't get it fixed and you just want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason that you just want to delete the pairing history off of it, clear everything out of it so that you can set it up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box. We can do this really easily. With the speaker turned on, we're just going to come in and we're going to find the Bluetooth and the volume up buttons, and we're just going to press and hold them for 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, you'll actually hear it go into its reset, at which point you can release the buttons, and then you can go ahead and set this speaker up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box.